Hey guys, today's set of gadgets is full of devices to improve your safety, your health and your workflow. There are also a couple of neat things for the creators. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. ChargeX Cable. Now this thing right here is the Swiss Army knife of the internet age. It's the most compact and smart way to carry 6 different cables in your pocket. The gadget includes 2 USB-C connectors to standard USB as well as Lightning and micro USB for all your mobile devices. The cables are suitable both for charging and syncing. Moreover, you can use a phone or tablet as a power source. You can charge your phone, smartwatch or earbuds. Absolutely no limits. Now, what this thing allows: ultra-fast charging at 100 watts. The max version gives you even more freedom with its 5-foot length. Also, the gadget's Keyring compatible, so it's super easy to carry around anywhere you go. Oculamp by Ocushield. This desk lamp is your solution to that issue. It includes 3 color settings to accommodate different times of the day. For example, the cool white light is perfect for you when you want your space at its brightest. The neutral white light is a must for long periods of work sessions, and the warm white light is best to wind down during the evening. A built-in 2000 mAh battery gives up to 20 hours of non-stop working. Touch panel display on the base allows all the controls. Nice. PauseMe. This is the device you've been waiting for. It's designed to improve your Zoom meetings, giving you some extra control over your video and microphone. The controller seamlessly toggles between on and off. With the push of a button, you can instantly stop your video from being visible if a family member or a pet walks on screen and you'd prefer privacy. Or you can pause the mic if there are some unwanted sounds in the background. Everyone around you can see your status as well, thanks to the colorful LED light. One more pro is the device doesn't need an app or software, just plug and play. Don't blend business and private life, keep them separate. ALLE. Mobile working is our new reality, but changing your workplaces may sometimes turn into a hassle. This letterbook strap organizer will keep your essentials together in one spot without any bolt. It's double-sided. The front part features the name card compartment and some slots for stationery and accessories. The other side, there are 2 large compartments for your mobile devices and a pen holder slot. The organizer easily fits 5 notebooks, iPads and even 15-inch laptops. There's also that small card wallet as a bonus. Sync microphone. When creating content, good audio is a must. Here's a wireless mic that was designed specifically for that purpose. The device can be attached directly to your phone or tablet and features a 3-in-1 universal adapter. So the coolest part is that this thing allows you to record crystal clear audio within a 390-foot range. The secret is a multi-level noise reduction and an included wind muff. If you're still not sure about the quality, just connect to the receiver with a wired headset, and you'll be able to monitor and master what you're recording in real time. A built-in TF memory card turns Themic into a standalone voice recording pen. Last but not the least, since the case doubles as a charger, you'll be ready to take the best interviews anywhere and anytime. Haven Tent. Is that a tent or a hammock? Actually, it's both. So first, installing this thing is a 5-minute job. Furthermore, the device features a 4-inch thick, super cushy inflatable pad. So when you use it as a hammock, it hangs from 2 through 3 trees using 2 straps, much like a regular hammock system. But thanks to the pad, it's rectangular instead of whatever shape a hammock is. It also has a removable bug net and comes with a rain fly to keep you safe from nasty weather. And yes, you can turn it into a tent if you happen to be camping where there aren't any trees. All you need is a pair of trekking poles. The whole package weighs just under 7 pounds and holds up to 265 pounds. It's adventure time! Handheld Printer. It's the most portable device we've seen so far. It's a wireless inkjet printer that you draw across the surface like a pen, and it'll print any image you need, no matter the type of the surface: paper, textile, leather, wood, plain, or a curved one. The quality of the pick will be just good. There's more. You can change the printing direction from left to right or right to left, which is really useful for left-handed. People who find right-handed defaults a pain, the printer prints at 600 by 600 dpi and runs up to 3 hours on one charge. Just press the power button, pair the printer with the app, and make all the adjustments, the font, the color of the text, and you're ready to go. Tabletop Buck Fan. Meet the coolest fan ever. It'll get rid of those nasty bugs and flies. No, it won't just blow them away. When spinning, the device creates light disrupting patterns, producing an unnatural environment that insects fly away from. Bugs avoid this fan and will refuse to fly anywhere near it. The blades are completely safe to anyone around. They're soft, and the built-in motor will stop immediately when the blades come in contact with an object or hand. Last but not the least, the fan is battery powered, so you can take this thing anywhere you go. Hardshell Backpack. Is that an armadillo? Well, yep. It's an ultimate backpack that protects your precious belongings. Despite its heavy look, it's lightweight and easy to wear. The super strong shell is made from advanced polymer plastics, so it can be folded millions of times without breaking or tearing. Unlike traditional backpacks, it opens up much like a suitcase. Inside, there are several clever compartments for your laptop, cables, glasses, cards, and so on. The backpack is stuffed with some cool features such as sex-changeable straps, a hidden handle, and some pads you can attach to the back for more comfortable hidden handle wearing. Oh, and there are several color options to choose from. Turtle Weeding Robot. This robot over here was designed to help more people enjoy gardening. It'll get rid of those nasty weeds that are constantly growing out of nowhere. The device does that in two ways. First, its wheels dig up the top layer of soil, stopping weeds from sprouting. Second, if any weeds decide to grow, the robot cuts them down with its built-in string trimmer. So, don't worry, this guy is smart enough to differentiate a weed from a plant you want. So, your favorite flowers are completely safe. One more pro is that this garden tool runs on solar power. You don't need to charge it at all. Last but not the least, it's weatherproof, which means your garden will look well maintained in any weather. AirSniffler Lightweight. Meet the smallest, the lightest, and the most portable air quality monitor and alert device. All you have to do is just clip it into your bag or put it in your pocket. It'll record and monitor the levels of polluting gases in the ambient air around you. There's more. The device also captures pollution levels, measures the temperature VOCs, and the likelihood of virus transmission in real time. You'll see the results on your phone in the dedicated app in a color-coded index. This way, you'll be informed at a glance.